WBJEE important dates for 2021 are released now. So online registration is starting from today, that is 23rd February, and till 23rd March. So you have 1 month time. And coming to downloading the confirmation page, it is from 24th to 26th of March. So correction window is open from 24th to 26th. So if you have made any mistakes during this time, so you can rectify those mistakes between the 24th to 26th of March. So you will be given admit card. So in my previous video regarding WBJEE, I have mentioned that 11th July 2021 you will be having the exam. This is the tentative date. So for that exam you will be given admit cards in July 6th to 11th. So during these dates you will be given the admit cards, nothing but hall tickets and all. So and public answer key, so answer key will be released in the second week of July, so mostly after 3 to 4 days after the exam itself. And coming to last date of challenging an answer, so if you find any mistake in that answer key, so you can challenge those answers same as the JEE mains. So that is in the third week of July. In third week of July you will be given publication of recorded responses, nothing but, so whatever options you have chosen in the exam you will be seeing that in the third week of July. And publication of final answer key, so after this challenging answer, so if they find any mistakes in their previous key, so they will change and they will release one more final answer key, that is in the last week of July. So declaration of results is also last week of July or August 2021. So counseling is from August 2021. So those students who are staying outside can only apply for the private colleges in West Bengal, not the government colleges. But for the students from West Bengal, you can choose any college from your state in the counseling. So this is the total important dates of WBJEE. So now here I am at the West Bengal Joint Entrance Examinations Board, WBJEE, West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination. So this link I will leave in the description. Do check out there. So you can see information bulletin, timetable, important instructions, rules of examination, performance for certificate, examination zones of West Bengal, recognized boards or councils, steps of online application WBJEE 2021. Once go through the steps of online application, so you will be able to understand how the process runs, so for applying these exams and FAQs. So you can you can go through all these ones, so that you will be getting an idea on how the exam application process and all it will be. And so for applying, so click this fill WBJEE a registration form. If you click this, so this interface is same like the JEE mains. So if you are already registered, you can use your application number and password and this security pin to sign in. So if not, you can register from here. So new registration. So first process is registration, then application form, then image uploads, fee payment. So if you have already done the JEE mains application, so this is same as that. So you can see my video regarding JEE mains application form. So you can see step 1 online registration and step 2 online application. This stage needs to fill up personal information and choose examination zones. In all, step 3 scanned images, upload photograph, signature, and go partial uploading is not allowed. So you should upload the JPG or JPG format in one go itself. Okay, so you have to upload both photograph and signature. In the third step, in the fourth step, you have to pay the fee. So regarding fee payment, also everything I mentioned in the previous video, please go and check that. I will leave that video link in the also description. At last, downloading the confirmation page. After you paying the fees, you can download the confirmation page, and exam fees is non-refundable. So if you have to check this box and click proceed. So once you click the click proceed, so here they will ask for personal details, present address, permanent address. So choose password and security. If you submit this, so registration is done. So once registration is done, you will be moving to the application form. Once registration is done, you will be given one registration number and the password. Here you should remember this password. So this will be used until your counseling and until you get the seat in the particular college you wanted. So after that you can come out of this, and if you click this, so using that registration number, application number, so once you submit there, so you will get application number. You have to enter that application number and the password which you have chosen, then use this security pin, then sign in. So again you can continue your process of application. So you so it is not mandatory that you should complete all the steps at once. So you can complete one by one step also, so there won't be any problems. And for all the updates regarding all the entrance exam, please do stay tuned to all my updates in my channel. So for that, you need to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also please do share all my videos to all your friends. It will be really helpful for them. And thank you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.